Maisy's Christmas tree. Maisy and her friends are decorating the Christmas tree. Cyril strings up the fairy lights. Tallulah adds pretty bubbles. Charlie hangs sugar canes on the tree. Cyril helps Maisy wrap presents. Eddie tops the tree with an angel. Time to sing carols together. Merry Christmas, everyone!